What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on a 1981 Yamaha Champ. It is a super easy process, but make sure not to skip any parts of this video to make sure that you don't have any damage to your motor. With that being said, let's get right into this thing and change the oil on the Yamaha Champ. So it is really helpful to run your bike and make sure that your oil is warm. That way it'll pour out a lot easier. All right, now that our motor is nice and warm, we're going to go ahead and start this oil change. With a 12mm socket, this is your drain bolt here. So go ahead and crack this loose. Woo! It's already spewing oil. That's a lot of fun. As you can see, this was only supposed to have 450 milliliters of oil, and ours has about 600. So this was overfilled a little bit. As you can see, I'm glad that we're doing an oil change on this thing. If you're watching this video ahead of time, there is a copper crush washer on the drain bolt. I would go ahead and order one of these. If not, that's okay. Just inspect it and make sure you don't have any big cracks or flaws. Once most of the oil is dripped out, you're going to go ahead and reinstall that drain bolt. For the Yamaha Champ, we are going to be putting in 10W40. And again, we're going to be putting in 450 milliliters. Next, go ahead and take your fill plug off. This is plastic, so make sure you're really careful when threading this on and off. And again, guys, don't forget, be really careful with this plug because it's easy to cross thread and break it. And there you guys go. That's how you change the oil on a 1981 Yamaha Champ. If you guys found this video to be helpful, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you just like moped content in general, maybe hitting that subscribe button. Here's some more Yamaha content if you're interested. And as always, guys, ride safe.